Lesson 4 English to Bisaya Translation.
English to Bisaya. Number 1. I want to go. In Bisaya, you say, gusto ko muadto. Number 2. You are not allowed to go. In Bisaya, say, dili ka pwede muadto. Number 3. Don't go. In Bisaya, say, ayaw adto. Number 4. You stay here. In Bisaya, you say, pabilin ka dinhi. Number 5. I'll go with you. In Bisaya, you say, mukuyog ako sa imo. Number 6. Please come with me. In Bisaya, you say, palihog kuyog sa ako. Number 7. You go with us. Sa Bisaya, uban ka sa amua. Number 8. Please remind me. In Bisaya, you say, palihog pahinumdumi ko. Number 9. Walk slowly. In Bisaya, say, hinay-hinay lakaw. Number 10. Let's go. In Bisaya, you say, tana. Salamat!